Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the Tine Positioner for the upper rack on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. So to do this repair, we simply need to open up the dishwasher. We'll pull the upper rack forward. If need be, you can remove some of the items that are on that side of the dishwasher that you're changing the positioner on. Then we'll fold down that Tine. And if you look at it, there are a couple of tabs that need to be depressed. And then you can simply force it away from the wire. Remove and discard the old one. Now to install the new one, we simply need to make sure we line it up properly. The notches that are cut out for the vertical Tine, we're going to center it on those and press it firmly onto the horizontal wire as well, and then lift up on it to lock it in place. You can then reposition your fold down Tine. You can push the rack back into the dishwasher, close up the door, and your repair is complete.